Today, in the era of constant change, education isn't about learning facts. It requires a blend of practical experience and training to nurture talent. We promise you the education that is not limited to the textbooks. Here, we offer you an experience and pure joy of practical knowledge.
I, the Vice Chancellor, Dr. D.N.S. Kumar, welcome you all to this Temple of Knowledge. With 8 contemporary schools that we have, our focus is towards building higher education which is contemporary, which is applied, and which can build the perspective for global development.
In the heart of India's largest hub of national and Fortune 500 companies, our academic collaborations with more than 15 international universities give them global exposure of unmatched standards.
We are not only in the middle of all the multinationals, but also in the middle of the most vibrant startup culture in India that gives an opportunity for our students to learn the most amazing advanced skills which are required by the industry.
The legacy of Chiranjeev Charitable Trust in the realm of higher education goes back to 1989. This was a time when, to bridge the gap in Indian architectural education, Mr. Sushil Ansal laid the foundation of Sushant School of Art and Architecture. Under the guidance of Padma Shri M.M. Rana, the late fellow of Frank Lloyd Wright Foundation, the school made its mark in the field of architectural education. The trust expanded to establish in the year 2000. The Sushant School of Design was instituted a decade later in 2010. Has been awarded the National Education Excellence Award for the Best Private University in Northern India 2017, along with CSR Excellence in Education for 2 consecutive years 2017 and 2018. Sushant School of Art and Architecture at Ansar University is the flagship school which has been consistently ranked #1 private architecture school in India.
Sushant School of Business at Ansar University is a new age business school which prides itself for its experiential learning and high class teaching pedagogy. Sushant School of Business has some amazing tie-ups, one of which is with the University of Warwick, UK. We have also tied up with organizations like CIMA of UK, ACCA of UK, and the Institute of Analytics in UK.